Welcome. Will be a series of short videos on the Canadian QuickBooks Online guide. I've seen a lot of guides online, but um, I haven't seen anything good specifically for the Canadian market. So I thought I would give it a try, help you guys out. To a lot of business owners, especially small business owners, are using QuickBooks Online, especially in Canada, and um, a lot of them are doing it wrong. And I don't blame them. Like it is, a kind of it can look easy to use, but it's sometimes it's not. So this guide is for people who want to get familiar with QuickBooks Online, get some training on their own, and especially helpful for business owners. So let's get started. Part one: creating a new account and choosing the right account. Right. So when you are trying to create a new account, you are going to get a promo. So I'm just gonna go over the accounting with you here. So you see here 3 months off, 3 months off, 3 months off, 6 months off. But um, one thing you should remember is this retail pricing is not the best deal you can get. So if you sign up with an accountant, they can actually, most of them will pass on the savings to you because um, accounting firms like us, we get like discounted billings. So if you're interested, if you didn't sign up an account yet, might be a good idea to just contact us and we can set up your account for you, even if you don't want to do the accounting with us. We can still set it up for you under our firm to give you the discounted billing. So, how does the four packages in Canada work? So, as you can see, don't look at this price. This is just the promo price, and it goes up substantially, right? So, look at the top price here: 24, 48, 72, and 140. Um, So, payroll, I don't really recommend QuickBooks Payroll for the Canadian market, especially. You can sign up for other payroll softwares. If you need help, we're here. Um, uh, so, so yeah, let's like go through each of the packages in a little detail. So, what does the Easy Start do, right? So, this guy tracks income expenses, the basics. Sales receipts, capture and organize receipts, track mileage, run reports. So invoice and accept payments, payroll progress, invoicing, maximizing type direction, blah 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 blah. So what is the difference between the Easy Start $24 versus the $48 Essentials? So the difference is includes three users, manages bills and payments, multi-currency, and time. So one, would you choose Essentials over Easy Start? Number one, if your business deals with USD, right? If you're doing business overseas, if you're receiving or sending a lot of USD, if you're going outside the country, you're spending a credit card in USD, if you're buying stuff in USD, if you're selling stuff in USD, right? If you have a separate USD account, in that cases, you want this guy, not this guy, right? Also, if you have a team, like if you're not the only owner who is like doing all the work, right? If you're have someone helping you out, then you would need an essential plan, right? Um, Bills and payments, important stuff. So, for example, say your phone bill, right? You can enter the bill now, like say today is the 1st of May, for example. So the bill comes in, you put the bill in. The bill is due 30 days later, right? And 30 days later, you pay the bill and then you accept the payment in the QBO. That feature will only be available if you're in the essentials, right? So I would say Easy Start is only for you to basically play around. Most businesses that are growing that will need essentials plan, right? What about the plus plan? So the difference between the essentials and the plus, right? So this is more like um, if you were mm, what to say, if you were, I would say, around making good deal of money, um, right? So this is more like, okay, you're starting to grow. This is you're actively growing, right? Why? Because budgeting, profitability, 5 users, inventory. So these things are mostly needed for companies that has, say, for example, you have 2 or 3 people, more than 3 people helping you out. You have an accounting department, or you have a 5-person team, and you need five all of them to have access for different purposes. Like maybe someone manages the air, someone else manages the AP, right? And also you want like project based accounting, right? Say you're in a construction industry, right? You want to track each project separately. You want to track your inventory. Maybe you're in e-commerce. You want to track accurately your inventory going in and out. So in those cases, you're going to choose this guy, right? The advanced users is uh, it is the most powerful version QBO provides, and it is not for everyone. Most people who are watching this video will probably not use this, right? Um, so it has 25 users, unlimited classes, locations, custom reporting, premium support, blah 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 blah. So all these are, uh, if you want to, like, if you really need the features in the advanced mode, then you shouldn't be watching this video, because you probably should have a like accounting team that takes care of all of your needs. So people that are using the advanced features, they either have an accountant in house or they have a firm that takes care of their bookkeeping, right? So you should probably, like most people that are watching this video, should be going for either one of these three, right? So what happens? Like uh, once you're ready to buy, you click one of these. Well, don't do it. My recommendation stands. Like, let us do it for you for a cheaper fee, right? Um, it is a free trial, so you can try it out for 30 days. Um, the thing is, like, um, setting up the account is more important, and especially after you set up, there are certain things you cannot change, so it should be done properly. If you're not sure what to do, it is a good idea to have an accountant help you set it up, right? So we are going to get to some basics in the next video on how to set up the company, and we'll see you in the next one.